Welcome to the Backcountry XRS, the 850 here. This is 2025 in the flare green. First thing I'm going to be doing on this is I'm going to be upgrading the windshield because, as you can see, the glove box doesn't really look nice with the factory windshield. As you can see, there's the glove box. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing the sides here. So these here just slide off like so. Next thing we'll be doing is taking off the windshield here. So to do this, you basically just have to pull up and pop off the three spots there. As you can see, there's the first one, there's the second one, and there's the third one. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is installing the little grommet. The grommet goes in here, so you got to be really careful. This is probably something that's going to take two hands to do. Okay, as you can see, I did get the grommet in here. It did take a little bit with two hands there, but I did get it in. Just be careful if you're putting that in that you don't actually push it all the way through, but it does fit in nicely if you can. I was lucky I didn't actually push it through there. So this is the medium windshield here. Basically I just left the plastic on until it's on there, but as you can see, it will just go and sit right on top here. Let me put it on and I'll be back. Popped them in the 5 clips. There's one in the front here. There's the second one right here. And then as you can see, the third one's pushed in right here, and the same on the other side. Here's what the front of the windshield looks like. And here's a little view from the driver's seat. Still got a good view and just a few inches above the glove box, so I think that'll work out quite nice. I know there was some comments about the handguards maybe hitting the windshield, but it's odd because on this one side it doesn't actually hit when you go and turn it to the one side, but when you do it to the other side, it does touch right there. So I'll have to take a look at that and see if there's maybe an adjustment I can make, but for the most part, that's kind of weird that one is maybe longer than the other or something for the handguards. But at the end of the day, it looks nice anyways, and I'll see if I'm going to take them off or if I'm going to just leave them on. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.